Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to turn off passwordless sign-in on a Microsoft Authenticator. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. Now in some cases you might be having challenges removing it from your Authenticator app, but in order to turn off passwordless sign-in you need to go over to your Microsoft.com account. So now we're on Microsoft.com, so we're going to go over to the top right corner and click on the profile icon or avatar. Then select My Microsoft Account. So it's going to take you here and you're going to need to click on Security. Now under Security options, you're going to click on Manage How I Sign In. Now depending on the different options which you set up already and you want to turn off passwordless sign-in, you're going to need to scroll to Additional Security. Now under Additional Security, you have Passwordless Account and two-step verification. Now you can see it's currently turned on, and in order to turn it off, you can simply click on Turn Off. It says, are you sure you want to add a password? Then you can click on Next. So here it says add a password, and it says enter a password you would like to use with your account. So you will need to create a password because you want to turn off passwordless sign-in. So you'll need a new password. So after creating a new password, you're going to click on Next and then complete the process. After you've done that, you will be able to use your Microsoft Authenticator 6-digit OTP codes to enter into your Microsoft account. By doing this, your passwordless sign-in will be turned off. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.